Hi guys, it's your girl Logan the Empress here, and I'm just doing a quick little lip tutorial for you today, horny. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So I'm just doing a basic brown lip, and you always start off with a color, your lip liner, a color that is darker than the actual color that you use. If you don't, your lips look actually smaller than they really are. So if you want to make your lips look like small, then use a lighter color for your lip liner. But other than that, you want to use a darker color for your lip liner. And I'm going in after I just use a basic brown lip liner, one I got from the Dollar Tree. Still love the Dollar Tree. I'm going in with my MAC lipstick, and this shade is called Derriere. I'm not sure if they make this shade anymore. I got it with when Nicki Minaj came out with her line. So I'm just going over my lips, putting the lipstick on, obviously, and then I'm going to blot it, and I need to go back in with the lip liner, kind of to contour my lips a little bit more. I'm just blotting my lips to get it to where I like it. I love this. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.